Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video I will be showing you guys how I make this beautiful look. Stay around, let's learn together. Alright guys, bye. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, comment, like and share. So this is bathing soap. I wet it with a little bit of water, so I will use my brush and take a little bit of it, use it to brush my eyebrows so that it will be very easy for me to line my eyebrows. Okay, so this technique is very good for beginners. So now guys, as you can see, I'm about to line my eyebrows, so I'm just lining it a little bit. I'm just trying my best so that it will be more natural, it will look more natural. Okay, so as a beginner I don't need to put more pressure on it. I'm still learning, I'm not that perfect, yeah. That is it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just lining it a little bit. I did not put more pressure. I'm just lining it like little. So guys, as you can see at the down, it's I started it from the beginning, but at the top I give it a little space so that if I'm filling it, it will look more natural. So I'm about to fill it now. As you can see, yeah, this is how to fill it in so that it will look more natural.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So I'm done lining my eyebrows. I'm about to brush. I'm just brushing, just brushing the edge so that it will look more natural. Okay, yeah.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, as you can see, that's my concealer. So I normally use this technique, I use it to fill in my eyebrows so that it will be like it's my natural eyebrow at the edge. Okay, I normally use it to fill the edge. It's very nice, and if you're a beginner, you don't have to use the concealer, you can use your foundation. Okay, it's really nice. I love these parts.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Yippee! So this is the look. Now I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm about to clean my eyebrows. Okay, I just need to clean it up with concealer. So you can use concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your color. Okay, but if you're a beginner, you don't know how to use your concealer yet, you can use your foundation. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just lining it, dragging it down, lining, dragging it down, just like that. Okay, because if you don't drag it down, if you just put it like that, it will be very difficult for it to blend in. So you just have to line, drag it down, line, drag it down, line, drag it down. Okay,
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
just need to use the same concealer or foundation you use to clean up your eyebrows. You have to use the same to you have to apply the same on your crease. Okay, so you have to blend it. I like to try it a little bit. Okay,
through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no.
so guys, this is my crease. If you want to cut crease, you can use your concealer. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using my concealer with angled brush. I'm just lining it a little bit. Okay, I'm not too good at cutting crease, but at least I'm trying. Yeah, practice make perfect. I will soon be perfect. Yes guys. So this is it. You just need to apply the concealer, drag, apply, drag, apply, drag. Okay,
On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls.
so guys, I'm done cutting my crease. The color I will be using yellow, light yellow, orange color, and pink. So that is the color I will be using.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So guys, this is the finishing look. How do I look? Yeah, this is my first time of trying this eyeshadow color. I've not done this color before, but just guys, I love it. Alright guys, thank you. Bye.